Oh, it's a nice blue cat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk him all the way around.
Oh, yeah, no net.
I don't got a net. May have come off.
Do what?
No, he's on there. He's on there. He ain't that big.
Huh?
So I don't think he's that big.
I'm just happy to see somebody catch it.
This one's on the cut bluegill. Now I'll have to, I don't think I can get him up over. Oh, it's a nice blue cat. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk him all the way around.
Oh, yeah, no net.
I don't got a net. He'll probably go 10 pounds.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Whoa, look at that big old fish, buddy.
Whoa.
You guys want to take it home, or?
Oh, no.
I
didn't
just-
bring a cooler.
I just catch and release,
I do
really.
too.
It's a ginormous cat.
Oh,
That's
they
a
get
big
big. They get bigger though in here.
Oh, I've seen some monsters, but that's a nice sized fish.
Yeah, I just gotta. Yeah, he took off with it. That bait clicker was just running.
That's a good one.
Yeah, I'll have to carry him over here. That's a decent one.
Yeah.
let's go ahead and bring this guy up. Thanks, man. There we go, guys. Nice blue cat. He's probably pushing 10 pounds, I'd say. There you go, sir. There we go. Come on, buddy. There he goes. Back to the depths. All right, guys, so we are back here at the Raccoon Mountain Pump Storage facility, and I wanted to do an evening bite here, which we've caught one blue catfish so far, about 10 pounds. I have one rod rigged up with a live bluegill over here, just kind of right against this wall. We're using smaller chunks today since all we have is small bluegill. I have a couple green sunfish as well. Right back in there is the release skates, and they have the pump off, but it will turn back on here in a little bit. Leave that bait clicker on. I'll try to get the sound of it if we get a fish on. All right, guys, action has been very slow. I haven't had a bite in over an hour, and I'm only going to give it another hour before calling it a night. That's just how it is, guys. Right now we're in the spawn. Things are a little tough, but we're going to use this live green sunfish. I'm not even going to really cast it. I guess I'm just going to flob it out there. Let's see here. There we go. I mean, it's deep. It's every bit of 40 feet. Leave the bait clicker on. And guys, I'm going to go ahead and rig up the other rod with a green sunfish as well. What I'm going to do with this one is cast it along the rocks and see if any catfish is feeding very shallow. I don't know, but it's definitely worth a try. Actually, I'll do it right here. No flatheads, just that one blue, but hey, I'll take it. Beats getting skunked, that's for sure. Let's see if this fish is even still alive, which I'm sure it is. Green sunfish are pretty resilient. Yep, he's still moving. Look at that. One fish, not too bad. I'll be coming back another night. But guys, as always, give a thumbs up for this video, and we'll see you later.